Hello everyone, welcome back to TechPorn, and in this video I'm gonna show you how to fix Foodpanda voucher errors. First of all, you will need to double check that the voucher code was entered correctly. Make sure the voucher has not expired. Review the promotion's terms and conditions to confirm your order qualifies. Some vouchers only work for specific restaurants, payment methods, or minimum order values. If everything appears correct and the voucher still does not work, try updating the app or contacting Foodpanda support. And that's it. That's how to fix Foodpanda voucher errors. And if this video helped, follow us for more tips and tutorials.